At Custom Lawn and Landscape, we're here to give you the thick, healthy lawn you've always wanted. If your lawn is thin, has bare spots, or suffered heat damage, seeding is the answer. We have over 30 years of lawn seeding experience. Here's what you can expect when you hire Custom Lawn and Landscape to seed your lawn. First, we recommend you mow the lawn a bit shorter than normal. That provides the best chance at getting good seed-to-soil contact. Without that, your seed will not germinate. Second, we recommend aerating your lawn. Here in Kansas City, we have some of the worst soil. Our soil contains high amounts of clay, which compacts easily. Aeration removes small plugs of dirt and grass, allowing water and nutrients to reach the roots more easily. Aerating also brings bare soil to the surface of your lawn, so more of your grass seed will germinate. We will double check with you to make sure we avoid hitting any sprinklers, dog fences, or utilities buried underground. In cases where the lawn is bare or needs complete renovation, we will verticut the seeded area also. Third, we use the right grass seed. Our experience has proven year after year that 100% turf-type tall fescue seed works great in most KC area lawns. Modern turf-type tall fescue provides the very best combination of that fine texture that feels great on bare feet and tolerance to the weather extremes we experience in our area. Fourth, we plant the best quality grass seed. Not all grass seed is created equal. Many brands contain a certain percentage of weed seeds mixed in. Our seed contains 0% weed seeds and 0% other crop. We never add weeds to your lawn. Fifth, finally, we clean up any mud and mess from the hard surfaces, being careful not to blow seed off the bare edges. Sixth, this is the part we leave in your hands. Water, water, water. That's it. We provide watering, mowing, fertilizing, and proper care instructions to get your new grass off to a great start and help you avoid any mistakes. 7. We return in 3 to 4 weeks to re-fertilize and treat any weeds that may have popped up. Request seeding service and experience the Custom Lawn Advantage today.